large, kudo ko dyan maganda. Maganda, 100. Maganda. Medium to large, kasha. Kudo ko dyan. Code na lang na. Smock. Mine, smock. Smock, 80 smock. Large XL. Mine, silk. 80 silk. Ganda. Medium to large. Pretty. Pretty, 150. Mine, birthday. 100. May foam na yan. Small, medium. Large size, mahaba to. Mine, mahaba. 80, mahaba. XL to 2XL. Plus. Mine, plus. 80. Small, medium. Bagong-bago. Mine, bago. 100. Halter dress. Halter, 120. Small, medium. Mine, halter. Medium to large. Floral. 150 floral. Large size, best fit hanggang semi-XL. Smocks is precious. Yours is SSD, SSD. Thank you so much. Large XL. Linen. My linen. 130 pesos. Linen.
Thank you.
Medium to large. Floral. Floral, 80 floral. Medium to large. Butones. 80 butones. Small, medium. Bago. Bagong-bago pa. 150 bago. Small size, kudo ko dyan, small. Small, 100. Mine, small. Barbie, nakasale na. 130 Barbie. Small men. H&M, kudo ko dyan, tatak. Tatak, 150 tatak. Mine, tatak. Large size up to XL. Semi-XL, para sure. Pero kung maliit lang braso nyo, kasya to large XL. Kudo ko dyan, checkered, 100, checkered. Checkered, 100. Best fit is large. Kudo ko dyan, cargo. Cargo, 100, cargo. Mine, cargo.
Salam. Pagkain mo.
Last
Ang
day.
dali lang kinuha na namin.
Medium, semi-large. 50. 80.
There she goes.
Number 1. Medium hanggang semi-large. Number 1, 80 pesos. Number 1. Mine, number 1. Number 2. Medium to large. Number 2, 80. Number 2. Number 3, large XL, 80 pesos. Number 3. Number 4, small medium, 80. Number 4. Number 5, large size, 80. 5. Number 6, small medium, 80. Number 6. Large XL pa jumper. Number 7, 80. Number 7. Small medium, number 8, 80. Number 8. Large XL wrap around cotton. Number 2. Sis Alpha, yours po. SSD, SSD. Thank you so much. Ano akong tubig ah. Gusto ko yan. Large XL, number 9, 80, number 9. Wrap around. Small medium, number 10, 80. Number 10. 7, just rose SSD, SSD, sis, yours. Thank you so much. Number 11, Medium to large, 11.80, 11. Pants natin sis next week. Ayan. Mixed pants yun. More on trouser. Pag may naligaw na ganito, labas na lang natin. Ayan. Small, medium, number 12. Ganda nito oh. Number 12, 100. Number 12. Number 13, wrap around yan. Small, medium, maxi dress. 13, 113. Mine, 13. Ito long back siya. Kailangan naka-short kayo sa low or leggings or pantalon. 14, 80, 14. 14. Pang bongga. Fairy ang dating. 15, 115. May gown na kayo. Oh, pa-corset, small, medium. 16. Mine, 16. Small, medium. 116. 12 is alpha. Yours po. SSD, SSD. Thank you so much. Medium size hanggang semi-large. 17. Mine, 17. 100. 17. Hindi ko masyadong sure be. Ayan. Pag may natira pa. Pero pag wala, baka wala na. Pero tingnan natin. 14. 14 is alpha. SSD, SSD. Thank you so much. Small, medium. Knitted yung taas, tapos may pa-skirt siya sa baba. Ganda nito. 18. Mine, 18. 100. 18. Palis yan. 18, 100. Mine, 19. Can fit large XL. 80 pesos. 19, 80. 19. Ay, ang ganda oh. Puff sleeve. Small, medium, garterize. Pwede ko dyan. 20, 120. Hanggang semi-large ka siya naman. 20, 100. Mine, 20. 21, medium to semi, actually hanggang large. Medium to large. 21, 121. Mine, 21. Large XL, 22. 22, 100, large XL. 22. Large size hanggang XL, 2380. 23. Large size, 24, ganda. 2480, 24. Hanggang large. Small, medium sa halter. Ganda oh. 25, 100, 25. 25, 100. 26. Small, medium, 126. 100. Mine, 26. 27, large XL. 2780. 28, small, medium. 2850. 28. 29, small, med. 80. 29. 30, large XL. 30, 50, 30. Comment more kung papaflex pa kayo. Ano ko, i-flex ko yung mga hindi ko pa namulat. Comment more. Comment more mga sis. Tatlong more continue ta. Wala na akong ano.